Want a band 8 plus in IELTS? You need to upgrade your vocabulary with these powerful visuals. Look at those peaks. It suggests something so high it dominates the entire landscape. Don't just call the mountain tall, it is towering. On the other hand, look at this mouse. It's a sophisticated way to describe something exceptionally small in stature. It isn't just short, it's diminutive. Look at this tree. We use this word for things that look skeletal, usually from a lack of nourishment or water. It's not just thin, it is emaciated. Moving from the dry desert to this forest, use this when things are packed so closely together that you can't see the ground. It isn't thick, it is dense. Finally, look at the desert. Use this when the space feels vast and endless in every direction. It isn't just wide, it is expansive.
Section 2. Weight and texture. Carrying a heavy load. This word emphasizes the massive physical weight and the effort needed to move it. Upgrade that to hefty. In zero gravity, things don't just feel light. It's the perfect term for something that has no perceived mass at all. They are weightless. Look at these polished lines. This describes modern, elegant designs that look polished and fast. Don't call it smooth. That's sleek. Compare that to this mountain rock. When a surface is tough and can withstand harsh conditions, it's more than just rough. Call it rugged. Finally, look at this petal. This word adds a sense of luxury and richness to anything that feels plush to the touch. It isn't just soft, its texture is velvety. Master these 10 words and watch your IELTS score soar. Like, save, and follow for more.